boy Suave.
And it's your girl Ivy.
And we back with another video. Today we went and bought some Christmas decorations to decorate the house and whatnot. So you know how it's going down right now, you heard?
We are back with another freaking video.
Shut up!
Hey guys, it's your girl Ivy. So we're back with another video today, and today we're going to be decorating for Christmas in our apartment. So we just thought we'd film and have y'all come along with us while we decorate. So right here, we just put these little chair covers on our kitchen table chairs, and they're like little Santa Claus hats, and we thought they were super cute. And everything we got in this video is from Dollar Tree, so go check out Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of Christmas decorations, and it's very affordable. Right here, my husband is placing these placemats that we found on the table, and a little bit later in the video we're going to be doing a DIY centerpiece, and we got all the stuff from Dollar Tree as well. So now we're changing out the fall towels that we had in the kitchen, and we're putting up the Christmas towels that we got. And we were trying to mess around with them from the ones I had last year, and we ended up putting 2 in the middle and 2 on the sides, but that was just too much, so we ended up just putting 3 on the stove instead. And it came out really cute. And right here, he was gonna put this garland up here, but we didn't have a way to keep it up there, so we ended up not doing that. He's gonna try like 2 more times, but we ended up not doing it. So this is where we had put all 4 towels, and then we ended up only putting 3. So that's how it came out, and it's really super cute. We really only got decorations for the living room and the dining room because I don't know, I never decorate my bedroom or anything like that. So right here is when we're about to start doing this DIY centerpiece, and I seen a video on TikTok. That's how I got this idea. So shout out to whoever that is that gave me this idea, because it came out really cute and it looked really expensive, even though it wasn't, and everything was from Dollar Tree. So if y'all want to try this, go ahead. All you need is 3 wine glasses from Dollar Tree. They can be the same size or they can be different sizes. I got different sizes because I wanted the candles at the top to be like, what do you call it? Not stacked, but like unleveled, if that makes sense. Then we got a whole bunch of flowers and little ornament things to put inside the wine glasses. So we played around with this a lot because we didn't have the right glue to make it stick. I mean, you can use the glue we use, but it's going to take like a long time to dry. So I suggest getting a hot glue gun instead, or some E6000 glue. And but we used Gorilla Glue, so it took a while to dry. But all in all, it came out really pretty, so I highly suggest this. And right here, we were trying to figure out ideas of how we want to decorate the inside of the glasses. We were gonna glue snowflakes to the sides, but it wasn't sticking right, so we ended up not doing that at all. So we just poured everything in the glasses, and then we're gonna pour some fake snow on top, and that'll be it. So now we're pouring the fake snow on top. We have glittery snow, and then we have like plain little styrofoam balls that was supposed to be fake snow. And I think we could have did without the snow, but it still came out really cute. So, but next time if we do it again, I don't think we'll put the snow in it. So this is the part where you need to take your hot glue gun and put glue all around the rim of the wine glass, and then take this tray, the gold tray or whatever tray you have, and set it on top of the wine glasses. We had to do it very difficultly because our wine glasses weren't the same size, so we had to try to dump the wine glasses over with everything in it. So we got snow everywhere, so we ended up just putting the sparkly snow all at the bottom of it to cover that up. And then the top of the wine glasses are supposed to be candle holders, so we bought candles to set on top of it, and it looked really cute. So I suggest to get Okay, so as far as the flowers go, we got some red flowers, gold flowers, and some little gold cranberries, I guess, and pine cones. So all you have to do is cut them off the stems and glue them onto the plate however you want to decorate it. And this was the final look. It came out really cute, and we also got that Merry Christmas ornament and just put it on the inside, on the side of it. But it came out really super cute. It looks really expensive, and it was only like maybe $6. So I highly recommend trying this DIY if you don't want to buy a really expensive centerpiece. So this is the dining room, and this is the dining room with the light off, and it looks really pretty and Christmassy. So yes, that turned out great. I was just showing you the decorations that we got for the tables in the living room. Right now he is taking this white garland with little elves on it and wrapping it around the tables. And he also put one of those little Merry Christmas ornaments hanging from the table. And he's just gonna put the garland all around the table, and then we'll start decorating the table itself. And we also made that little bouquet of flowers. I already had the vase, so that's not from Dollar Tree, but I just put the remaining flowers that I had from the centerpiece into the vase. This tray that you see, I had this last year. I don't remember where I got it from, but we're putting these little Christmas decoration things you can put on there, and I got those from Dollar Tree. And these little houses, and they have a thing at the bottom where you can put the battery operated tea lights in them. So I put some in those. And then I'm going to set my my peppermint vanilla candle right there in front of it. So here's the final look of this table. He put that garland around the tray, but I think I'm gonna take it off later because I think it's just too much garland right there, but I don't know, I might keep it there. So now they're working on the garland by the TV. My son wanted to help, so he is helping his daddy put up that garland. And this is just red sparkly garland with little candy canes on it, and it turned out really cute as well.